Hey guys, it's me Ola, welcome back to my channel. Today we're finally back to more Queen and we're gonna be checking out Killer Queen and I'm in Love with My Car by Queen, of course, and this was suggested by some of you guys, so I'm really excited to check it out. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let's get into the reaction. So in case you guys are new here, we did react to Queen before, so if you wanted to check out these reactions, please check out the playlist. I will link it with the video. Okay, so are you ready guys? Because I'm not ready. Queen are really awesome, especially live. So this definitely makes my heart pump fast. Let's get into it.
Hey.
Freddie is so cool.
Listen, if you guys want to move around and shift your asses a little, it's okay. It's okay by us, right? You can take all your clothes off if you like to. Doesn't matter. Fuck off. This is called Killer Queen.
He's really cool. Hold on. I'll go back 10 seconds. Yeah, I wanted to say that he's really cool and down to earth, which is something you find kind of rare, especially if you look into the new singers, the new industry, you know. I find Freddie a really awesome dude.
This is called Killer Queen. She keeps the Moet Chandon in a pretty cabinet. Let them eat cake, she sings, just like Marie Antoinette. A building, a remedy, a crucial eternity, and at a time of invitation you can't decline. Caviar, cigarettes, well-versed in etiquette, extraordinarily nice. She's a killer queen, gunpowder, gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam, guaranteed to blow your mind. Anytime, recommended at the price, insatiable and appetite. Wanna try?
The band is awesome.
Complications, she never kept the same address. Conversation, you spoke just like a baroness. Never China, a conjugation minor. Then again, incidentally, been that way inclined. Perfume came naturally from Paris, cause she couldn't care less. Distinguished, precise, she's a killer queen. Gunpowder, gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam, guaranteed to blow your mind. Recommended at the price, insatiable and appetite. Wanna try?
I'm so in love with his voice. His voice is seriously one of the best voices I've ever heard. And I really like this guitarist, Brian. He's super awesome. But let me tell you something, guys. While editing the past Queen reactions, I fell in love with the drummer, Roger. Oh my god, Roger is insanely gorgeous and handsome, and his drumming skills are awesome. Roger is the best. I'll go back.
Recommended at the price, insatiable and appetite.
Listen to that voice. He's so cool. What's happening? This is the second song, right? I'm in love with my car. You know, the reason why I picked this for today's reaction is that a lot of you guys suggested I check it out because the drummer will sing it. And since I'm falling in love really hard for Roger, I've decided to check it out today. So let me go back 10 seconds and from now on, I'm not gonna pause the video. You know that transition now is so cool. Oh my god.
Stands a puppet, and the whole crowd's all blue. When I'm holding your window, all I hear is your guitar. Your hand on my grease gun. It's like a disease song.
That voice.
I'm in love with my car. It's got a feel for my automobile. Get a grip on my boilerless rover. Such a thrill when your radio squeals. Don't make up. I had to forget her. Rather baby, a new carburetor. Since you big tracks in, this is the end now.
His voice.
Cars don't turn back, they just won't wear friends now.
His drumming. Yeah. Oh my god, that was so insane. My heart is still racing. Roger is so amazing. Roger Taylor, I'm just checking his photos. Wow, he's so handsome. Even when he got older in his recent photos, wow, he's so handsome. And his drumming skills are so insane. I've never seen a drummer like this before. Like, he blew my mind. Honestly, today he took the spotlight from everyone. This was so insane. Oh my god, I want to watch it again. He's in love with his car. Can I be your car, Roger? This band is super cool, guys. Seriously, I'm so enjoying reacting to Queen. I love Freddie. I love him so much. Just looking at his face makes me feel so, I don't know how to describe this feeling, but you know, some singers, when you look at them, when you hear their voices, when you hear them joking with the crowds, you feel like they're one of your family, which is something very important for me. And when I look at Freddie, I feel like that. He's like my friend, my brother, one of my family, which is something really awesome. Today's song was 10 out of 10, or two songs, but the first one was so short. Maybe it is a shorter version of a longer one. I gotta check, but the two songs were really awesome and I loved the performance. I'm not gonna give the performance of the band 10 out of 10 because they deserve way better. Brian was amazing, full of charisma, and also Roger was insanely awesome today. So they definitely deserve way more than 10 out of 10, like 100, 1000 out of 10. So guys, if you got more suggestions by Queen, please don't forget to leave them in the comments and I will make sure to read them all and pick the most requested one. Alright, thanks a lot for joining me today, guys. Please make sure to leave a like, check out the links in the description, and I'll catch you next time.